when people say coffee capital, that means it is the center for coffee farming. That means it's the center for coffee innovation and coffee learning. When you say coffee capital, that's also like where the innovation hub is located. So, here in the Philippines, Amadeo Cavite was once known as the coffee capital of the Philippines. But today, I still have to validate if there is a new coffee capital in the Philippines. As far as I know, Bukidnon in Mindanao is producing a lot of coffee varieties in the Philippines. And Amadeo is now only has a few coffee trees in today's day and age. So yeah, that's the idea. That's the update for the coffee capital. Now, that is not really a concern. A more bigger concern in the Philippines is the coffee production, because before, the Philippines is one of the top coffee producers in the world, but now the Philippines is lagging behind among its other coffee producing countries like Vietnam, Indonesia, and even Brazil. So rather than checking on what's the coffee capital in the Philippines, we at Passport Turtles want to connect with the people there in Amadeo Cavite and do a pilot project in their town, so we can do and in some way revive the Liberica coffee, or what we properly know as Kapeng Barako or Philippine Barako. Okay, so that's our goal moving forward, and we will give you updates on our partner farmers. They are most likely smallholder farmers who are now struggling to make ends meet. We will be partnering up with research teams, agronomists, so we can find out what can we do in terms of coffee farming. Okay, so yeah, like I said, coffee capital is not that important, but we have to revive the Liberica coffee in Amadeo as our pilot project.